Ski season just around the corner. When I was up in Talkeetna, Alaska, me and my friend Jason flew down to Birchwood, Alaska to tour the manufacturing plant of Airframes Alaska. While I was there, I couldn't resist myself by purchasing a T3 shock system for my Piper Pa20 Pacer. I might be the very first guy that actually has bolted one on the Pacer, and I wanted to see how it was going to act. In the past, with the stock spring system, especially on skis where there's a lot of snow drifts and hard-packed ice, the back end of the aircraft always sustained quite a bit of bounce and shock. And I wanted to see if the T3 could help, and also maybe give it a little bit more positive steering, as we all know that the Pacers can be squirrely at the best of times. The T3 installation started by raising the tail and securing it. I removed all the old hardware and quickly realized my Scott would require servicing before being installed. After rebuilding my Scott, I installed the T3 according to the Airframe Alaska installation instructions and found the overall install to go accordingly to plan. After the install, I checked the rebound, and you will see in slow motion how nicely the assembly returns without bouncing. Also immediately, I realized how little shock the airframe received during these drops. The next thing was to go taxi the plane and do a couple circles to make sure everything was fully functioning. During these tests, watch the rear video and how well the T3 takes the bumps. I also noticed more positive authority in steering and overall control. I even sped taxi up to 25 miles per hour with very positive control. In conclusion, I am very satisfied so far what I have seen, and will start to put it under some hard testing, including minus 40-degree operations. For more information, contact Airframes Alaska or visit their website at www.airframealaska.com.